When it comes to pre-owned muscle, we're going plumb crazy from Ed Payne, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram with this pre-owned 2023 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. Oh yeah, Scat Pack badging. We've got the 392 cubic inch Hemi underneath the hood, 8-speed auto with paddle shift. We got the 20-inch wheels, Brembo brakes all the way around, Goodyear Eagles. This model has less than 6,000 miles on it. Oh yeah, Alcantara heated and vented seats. We got the center console shifter here, connectivity, 12 volts of power. All of our climate controls and controls for our Uconnect, including nav. Also, we do have the 180 mile per hour speedometer, matching tachometer, leather wrapped sport wheel. Yes, I love it. And also we do have billeted pedals. Total seating 454 is comfy in the back. More of those Alcantara seats, USB hubs, rear air front for you and the family and the crew. Oh yeah, center armrest with cup holders. Of course, we have the blacked out spoiler, a whole lot of room in the trunk for the track. And also, as we close the lid, more of that Super B Scat Pack badging and dual exhaust to let that big over 6 liters of Hemi power breathe. Right here on this pre-owned 2023 Dodge Charger Scat Pack and plumb crazy from Ed Payne, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram in Weslaco. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have that pre-owned muscle you want. Lo que tu quieres regardless.